Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can mute or completely remove the audio from your videos using CapCut. So in here I have this video which has audio on it, and let's say I want to mute that or remove that. So if you want to mute, you can easily just click on the clip in here, or you can just directly click on mute clip audio. So when you play it, there will be no audio. Or you can also click on a clip and find the volume options and just turn down the volume to 0, just like this. That the second method. And the last one is that you can extract the audio first. Click on it, find the options extract audio, this one, and then click on the audio and delete it. So it will remove the audio from your video completely. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.